The M17R5 is the most powerful 17-inch AMD Advantage laptop to date. It has improved performance and cooling due to AMD Ryzen 6000 series mobile processors, AMD and NVIDIA's latest mobile graphic options, a thermal design power of 185 watts, a maximum graphics power with AMD Smart Shift Max of 175 watts. We've also updated our Alienware Cryotech cooling with newly optimized and super thin fan blades. There are also performance-boosting AMD smart technologies, including Smart Shift Max, which intelligently shifts power between your CPU and GPU depending on your workload, and Smart Access Graphics and Smart Access Memory. The M17R5 can be customized in a number of ways, with the option to add the Cherry MX mechanical keyboard, up to 64 gigs of DDR5 memory, which you can upgrade later. There are two M.2 slots for SSDs, allowing you to have up to 4 terabytes of storage, and you can decide whether to upgrade from the standard 240 watts adapter to the small form factor option. Lastly, the M17R5 comes with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. This is the system I'll be showing you here today. The Alienware M17R5 continues our performance-first Legend 2.0 design. This includes what we call our dark core, which helps remove distractions when you're using the system by keeping cables and vents out of the way. That doesn't mean that we've compromised on the ports you get though. On the left, we have one RJ45 Ethernet port and one global headset jack. On the right, you have two super speed USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, one of which has PowerShare technology. And finally, at the back, you have one Type-C USB 3.2 port with power delivery and DisplayPort 1.4, one SuperSpeed USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, one HDMI 2.1 output, and power DC in. Like the previous generation, the M17R5 will include a 240-watt power adapter, but will offer an optional small form factor power adapter that is 25% lighter and 46% smaller by volume. For configurations with AMD graphics, the M17R5 comes packed with a full suite of performance-enhancing AMD smart technologies. First is AMD Smart Shift Max, which intelligently shifts power between AMD's APU and GPU depending on your workload. In CPU-heavy tasks, Smart Shift Max issues the Ryzen processor with the extra power to boost speed. When you're gaming, this technology gives the AMD graphics card additional wattage for a massive performance boost. Next is the AMD Smart Access Graphics. Making its debut in the Alienware M17R5, Smart Access Graphics leverages a built-in hardware mux to automatically switch graphics between the AMD Ryzen APU and the Radeon GPU to increase performance. And lastly, with AMD Smart Access Memory, you can get more performance across select titles through this accelerated data transfer technology exclusively between AMD Ryzen processors and AMD Radeon graphics. As with all of our Alienware laptops launching in 2022, this system includes Dolby Vision, which enables color profiles defined by the publishers and studios, and Dolby Atmos, which offers surround sound to make your experience more immersive. Lastly, the M17R5 includes Comfort View Plus, our hardware-based low blue light technology that won't hurt your system's performance or change your image quality. There are 4 display options available. In FHD, you can choose from 165 Hz or a 360 Hz refresh rate option, or our brand new and fastest laptop display running at an incredible 480 Hz. Configurations based on NVIDIA graphics options include NVIDIA Advanced Optimus technology. In 4K, you get 120 Hz refresh rate, which comes with AMD Smart Access Graphics technology. All of these display options come with NVIDIA G-Sync or AMD FreeSync and Comfort View Plus. On this device, we're also bringing you Alienware's Cherry MX Ultra Low Profile Mechanical Keyboard with per-key Alien FX lighting. This keyboard, which we initially launched on the M15 and M17R3, was co-developed with Cherry and has a total key travel of 1.8 millimeters. I can say that I've personally used this keyboard and I am absolutely in love with it. Don't tell them I'm totally keeping this. With this generation of the M17, we have raised the maximum graphics power thanks to AMD Smart Shift Max technology. Previously, the M17R4 with a 3080 Ti maxed out at 165 watts. But we've increased that to 175 watts on the M17R5 when equipped with the AMD Radeon RX 6850M XT. With these new graphics and processors combined, the system supports a TDP of 185 watts total, making the M17R5 the world's most powerful 17-inch AMD Advantage laptop to date. This system also includes newly optimized cryotech cooling technology. We've prioritized performance with our dual fan design that pulls cool air in from the top and bottom vents. We exhaust the heat from the left, right, and rear vents for optimal cooling. To move heat from critical components such as the GPU and CPU, we've included 4 copper composite heat pipes. When equipped with the AMD Radeon RX 6850M XT, the Alienware Cryotech thermal module updates in the M17R5 deliver a vapor chamber with 3.5 times the volume of its predecessor, and a 6% increase in total airflow while only increasing the copper weight of the thermal module by 1.3%. Both the CPU and GPU fans have evolved to be more efficient. Fan blade counts on both have increased by 26%, fan blade diameter has increased by 2%, and the blades themselves are 17% thinner. And finally, to help you manage your CPU temps, we're continuing to offer the TCC offset feature. You can find more information about this and how to enable it in the description down below. The M17R5 uses standard SODIMM slots, so you can upgrade your system with up to 64 gigs of DDR5 memory in the future. When it comes to storage, we've included 2 M.2 slots for SSDs, capable of handling up to 4 terabytes of high-speed solid-state storage. The Alienware M17R5 is perfect for gamers that need a powerful 17-inch laptop and want to experience everything that AMD smart technologies have to offer on the go.
This is our top-of-the-line P-series mobile workstation and the most powerful ThinkPad ever. It's built for the ultimate professional user that desires the highest level of performance while on the go. The P16 comes in a modern storm grey aluminum chassis. It utilizes our stunning 16-inch 16:10 low blue light display with an optional 4K OLED touch panel. The screen is taller, gives you more display area than the traditional 16:9 aspect ratio, and has narrower bezels on all four sides. It also comes with a high-resolution FHD webcam for the best video conferencing experience in this hybrid work environment. On the inside, we have a completely new class of Intel's 12th generation Alder Lake HX CPU running at 55 watt. So you get groundbreaking performance and efficiency. The processors go all the way up to i9 with 16 cores in total. We've also upgraded the discrete graphics in here, and these can go all the way up to NVIDIA RTX A5500 with 16 gigs of dedicated video memory, which is critical for smooth rendering. Now, expandability is important to workstation customers, so you can simply remove this screw from the small door on the bottom and access the storage and memory slots in here to upgrade without even taking off the entire bottom cover. Now, we understand the power requirements with this machine are higher than ever before, and that's why we have completely redesigned our thermal solution. The P16 comes with dual vapor chambers, 2 large fans, heat pipes, and has increased air intake via the keyboard and the bottom vents, allowing for a cool and quiet operation even with demanding tasks. We have strict requirements when it comes to the durability and reliability of ThinkPad, so this chassis passes 26 mil-spec procedure. We offer the latest wireless technology in Wi-Fi 6E and optional 4G as well. It comes with a massive 94 watt-hour battery, giving you plenty of juice to last throughout the day. The P16 is certified for all major software applications in the fields of content creation, artificial intelligence, engineering, AR/VR, or healthcare, so you can have that peace of mind when running heavy workloads on it. That's a bit about the no-compromise ThinkPad P16. I'm Rijul. Thank you very much.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.